Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, most of us have been waiting for this week because we know in this week we are finally going to be seeing the first episode of this season of Uthando Nesthembu, which is going to be airing on the 22nd of January. Now guys, they keep releasing trailers there and there, and Zele, some people can subscribe back to DSTV. Guys, can we just talk about how expensive DSTV is, and that time they keep recycling content? But anyway, asikho lapho guys. Now I have a feeling ukuthi le ndaba number 5 usadlalwa ngathi. So in the trailer we see uNokhuzana uMusa, he is sitting with Ugeli, number 5. Again, who is supposedly number 5, and he says to her, okay, Tina la ekhaya asibthinto, we don't drink alcohol. He goes on to ask her, uyaphuza yini? Then Ugeli, she says, uyabthinta there and there, meaning that she drinks occasionally. That question did not balance for me because I know, or at least from what I know from Musamselegu, guys, he doesn't just take a girlfriend from 2 years or girlfriend who was 6 months and make her wife. All of these women that he's married, he's been dating for years. So I expect that wife number 5 is a girl that he's been dating for many years. Unless ke ushawa is kati and then he's taking someone that he just recently started dating. But for the man that he is, I know that he knows whoever's gonna come in, it's not going to be it's not an easy family dynamic. So you've got to get someone who's mature, someone ozothembisanyana ukuthi uzoyimela lento. So it's awkward for me if you've been dating guys umuntu for years, even if ulo 6 months ike, does it make sense for you to be on a date and asking a person which uyaphuza? Because chances are you've been out with this person many times to know whether uyaphuza or not. Secondly, if you're making a person a wife already, those are things you know which uyaphuza or not. I saw some comments, guys. I can't remember if it was on YouTube or TikTok, but someone said, what if, guys, Linda Baga wife number 5, this girl that we sing is actually Unluandle's wife and not Umselegu's wife? And I'm starting to think that what if this is Unluandle's wife, and not Umselegu's wife? Because I'm just like, that question does not make sense. If ngempela it is wife number 5 kaMusa, they playing with us and they toying with us, because why is he asking her such questions on a date when he's been dating her for a while? Then in that same trailer, we see Umusa saying, ukuthi asithembeke ukuthi uzoyimela lento, something like that, ukuthi uzoyimela and that you're not ngeke emuva. So for me, it sounds like a conversation that he's having with a person that is being introduced into a family, someone that he doesn't know that intimately. But guys, we will see, because one thing about Abo Musamselo, guys, they will play with us so that we can keep that money for DSTV. But that's going to be interesting, guys. If it is Unwandle's wife, I'm just like, is Unwandle even ready to get married, you guys? Unless seganengane or what? And in the thing is, Ditayo West is that it would make sense if it was Unwandle's wife, because we see uMatsele welcoming Lomakoti wakhona, and uMatsele is Unwandle's mother. So it makes sense, and yet it's confusing at the same time, because it will also pass to be Umselegu, who's the wife number 5, because uMatsele is Umamkhulu. But anyway, guys, let's wait for Wednesday, because we have heard which on Wednesday, Highball, guys, they're not blessing us with 1 episode, they're blessing us with 2 episodes on Tuesday. Then on Thursday, it's going to be another episode, which means this week we are getting 3 episodes of Uthando Nesthembu. Then from next week, they're going to start kahle, and they're going to be releasing 2 episodes each and every week. This is going to be interesting to see, because I'm just like, the way Umusa is still begging Umangwabe, I'm just like, number 5, ababangeni kahle mnyango, she is still uttering. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.